In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a viewport in AutoCAD. As you can see on my AutoCAD screen, we're just going to simply type here the viewport word. And then after typing the viewport, just simply click the enter. And from here, we can see all the standard viewports. You can name a viewports for this, like for example, VP1, and just simply click the word OK. And then the command viewports has been made and click on the viewports. And after on the viewports itself, please enter. And then we can now choose here the name viewport like this one or this one viewport VP1. And on the existing viewports, we can just, for example, click this vertical or horizontal and click OK. After clicking on the OK, you can see here now we have two existing viewport. Just simply click on that for us to edit it. And that's about it. That's how to create a viewport in AutoCAD. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out.